Hey guys, this is Caleb over here at Darrell Waltrip Buick GMC in Franklin, Tennessee. I'm going to show you how to properly use a MultiPro Tailgate 6-way function on a Sierra. You are able to option these on Silverados as well, but you press this top button, it gets your top tray going down, your high rise for work, or you press this button in here, lift it up, it is your high rise exit stopper. Any longer plywood, 2x4s, lift it back up. You got this second button down here. All the way down, you know, you're just classic boring tailgate. But with all the amount of space that's in this 2500, you get an extra 2 foot of space with your stopper. Drop that down again by pressing this top button. You can reach in a little bit easier. Easy reach grab. Pull it down once again. Your step. My favorite piece. Makes it a lot easier to get in these big trucks, especially when they're lifted. And then right here is another special thing. You can get what's called a kicker system, which is Bluetooth speakers that are wireless and waterproof. To put it back up, all you got to do is lift your tray, grab on the corner, and lift it up as well, and push your tailgate all the way up. That was one-handed, a little bit difficult, but it works. Thanks for always watching my how-tos, and if y'all have any other requests, feel free to ask me. Again, this is Caleb over here at Darrell Waltrip Buick GMC in Franklin, Tennessee. I'll see y'all soon.